front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. If you want to make typing better on this device in Samsung keyboard settings, here's how to do it in a few seconds. Begin by opening Settings. Then scroll all the way down to click on General Management, where in my experience other Samsung keyboard settings are located. So when we click here, we can access Samsung keyboard settings right away, available under date and time. Now you can finally manage all of those however you want to by clicking on the switchers next to chosen features or tapping on chosen features to use switchers within. And when you're done with all of those, scroll a tiny bit to hear more typing options under text shortcuts and operate all of those as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!